Hi YouTube, welcome to Wespix. Today we got the Federal lock padlock. It's 730 with a removable core, 6 pin, weighs an absolute ton. It's I'm not sure what CEN grade 4 means, but I guess it's quite secure. Here's the bitting on the key, beautiful bitting on the key. As you can see, all works a treat. Locked up. We're going to attempt to pick it with Wespix tension wrench. Get it in my hand properly, and Peterson 18,000ths number 1. So let's see how we get on. From what I've seen on YouTube, it has got security pins in, and it certainly feels like it's got security pins in. We're getting a bit of movement on the core. Slight bit of counter on number 3. So I've got a very slight false set on it. Counter on number 3 again. Ooh, the same's dropped a bit further into a false set. Such a well-made padlock. Absolutely counter on number 5, and we're in. Okay, so to get this, there's a little spring button there which we need to push. If I can keep this in shot. Push all the way in. It's a little bit fiddly, as you can see. Let's try again. The same, and the shackles out, and then we've got an Allen key down on the actual shackle side of it, not the locking side of it. Seems like quite a long screw, so let's see if we got that yet. No, it's still screwing. That's it. Alright. We've got a little lock washer in there as well. This I really like, this dovetailed locking plate at the bottom with the spinner inside. And we should have the core. Oh, tiny little core. Okay, so we'll lock it back up. And circle it. Circle it off. Stick it over there. We're going to shim it because it's got the actuator end on it, which doesn't really work with the pushers. Sorry, followers. What the fuck am I talking about? I think it's that one there. Okay, so let's take the key out of there. So we've got an anti-drill pin in number 1, which is serrated. Serrated brass number 2. Another anti-drill serration on number 3. Serration on number 4. Standard, these 2 short for serrations on number 5. And same again on number 6. So in the core, in the Bible, if I can find my, there you go. So number 1 is an anti-drill standard. Just take that shim out of there. Number 2. Is the anti-bump kind of barrel pin. Lovely little spool on number 3. Spool on number 4. Spool on number 5. And a spool on number 6. Guessing the springs are all, no, we've got a steel spring, 1 steel spring, and 5 brass springs. Let's give you a little shot of that. Very nice little pins. So that was the Federal Lock 730. Very nice. Thank you.